Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My today's topic is meeting the souls of the prophets who lived and died thousands and thousands of years ago. In the state of Punjab, there was a popular belief that there are some graves of some prophets in the district Ambala, in the village Baras. To investigate and verify the issue, this topic, a group of Deobandi elders comprising of Hakimul Ummat Ashraf Ali Thanvi and Etmadul Hassan Kandalawi and Yusuf Kandalawi and Zakaria Kandalawi, the author of Fazalul Amal. They went there. Okay. Then one of the person contemplated and met with the souls of the prophets. They were supposed to be three, but she said three are perfectly, definitely prophets. One's name was Ibrahim and his son's name was Hazar. Okay. And who was meeting the souls of these persons, he asked them who are they and what was when did they die, and they told him yes, there was a king by the name of this thing and that thing. Anyhow, this is the story narrated by the very famous personalities of Deoband. It is not my story. May Allah save us from all these nonsense stories. Amen.